In the shadow of Mount Vesuvius lie the excavated ruins of Pompeii. In 2016, husband and wife filmmakers Mark Schulze and Patricia Mooney traveled from Naples by tour bus to visit the site. It was the dying wish of Polish sculptor Igor Mitoraj, who passed away in 2014, to have his work displayed at Pompeii. The exhibit was directed and curated by Luca Pizzi, who had worked as the assistant of Signor Mitoraj for 20 years. In 79 AD, Mount Vesuvius erupted and extinguished the lights of the town and the lives of 20,000 people. What remain today are stones, floors, walls, columns, buildings, and reassembled stories of the people who once lived here. The very existence of Pompeii was covered in ash until its rediscovery in 1599. Today, it is a completely preserved ancient city where any avid traveler can go and walk these cobblestone paths. Italians have always treasured their gardens both as places for relaxation and as plots to grow fruits, vegetables, and ornamental plants. This was particularly true for the gardeners of Pompeii, where they found the volcanic soil beneficial to growing beautiful crops. In 79 AD, however, the incendiary lava that emanated from Mount Vesuvius exacted a very steep price. Incredibly, Pompeii's ancient drainage system is in such good shape, even after 2,300 years, it is set to be put back into active service. 30 majestic sculptures by Igor Mitoraj adorned the archaeological area of Pompeii from 2016 until 2017. Massimo Ossana, the superintendent of Pompeii, said, "Mute and iconic symbols, the works of Mitoraj remind us, in their imminence, of the deep value of classicism in contemporary culture." Mythological gods and heroes populate the streets and the squares of the city, buried by Vesuvius, emerging like dreams from the ruins.